hardware is actually now in use in those companies that are most innovative, front runners. You know, they're already using these technologies on a daily basis in their daily work.
Who is using these technologies?
Well, we have examples from Airbus, Audi,
so
BMW.
Airbus, for example, Airbus. There are people in Airbus that wear this headset.
Right.
They're in doing preventative maintenance on a plane, and it points out a problem. I guess is that the idea? That's
yeah. Practically, it makes it. You're bringing. First of all, your standardized work is brought to you in your vision, and it'll help you. It'll assist you to do that work in a correct sequence, like step by step. Like, how do you do this work correctly, first time? You know, obviously that creates you know, savings in time in terms of cost, time, and quality. So
5G, I guess, is coming through, and that's coming. The headsets are getting lighter and cheaper. That's coming.
Those like softwares, for example. This
yes.
one, you know, you don't even need a connection. You can download it on the actual device, and then it'll connect it, integrate into your system. But basically the value is how you're able to do the work assisted, so that it'll help you do it right the first time. And you can put anybody in the same seat to repeat the work. And that makes the training time extremely much shorter.